Here is the HDZERO wing board that I designed, installed into my spec wing. So it has the HDZERO Whoop board connected to it, and this board just provides the electronics required for OSD, no flight control. The flight control is via PWM, and also power for all the electronics. So here's the first revision on the right. You can see the power supply to the ESCs was not sufficient and it burnt out. Also it had some pretty small pads, being this was the first board I'd ever designed. I didn't get that right the first time. There was a few other small things that had issues. So this is the second revision. It's working pretty well. Only one thing lacking is power for the servos from the 5-volt regulator. It's not enough. So in the next revision, hopefully it'll be fixed, but at the moment I'm just running an external BEC. So yeah, here's some flight footage.
Let's enjoy ourselves somehow. That's all I want, that's all I want, that's all I want, that's all I want, that's all I want. It's a special situation, online communication. But all I want, all I want, all I want is to do this with you. These days may blend together.